Okay, we're going to do this together step by step. We're going to close the large laundry turtle. Find the E, go to that hole right there, place your hands like this and grip it. Then find the T, go down to that hole, place your hands like this and grip it like handlebar, okay? So this one is over, this one is like this. Then you're going to twist this one away from your body and down. Meanwhile, bringing this one over the top of that one. You have to do both motions at the same time. Okay? So if you just twist this one, this is what you're going to get. And if you just twist this one, this is what you're going to get. You have to do them both at the same time. So the instructions say twist while closing, but it's a little more complicated than that. So you're twisting it. Meanwhile, this is going to go over the top of it. See? So you're making your first loop. If it starts going crazy like that, then just try again. It should make a circle, like kind of like it should start making a circle. Meanwhile, this one goes over the top. That third loop is gonna make itself right there. To pull them together, you can pull them to yourself, or you can set it down on the table like this. Then you can just use that pocket to close it like this. And do it again. So you've got your turtle, you got the pocket at the top, it's inside out. Put like that. Put it at the top. Remember this, find the E, hand goes up like that. Find the T, goes here like this. You're going to, sorry if you couldn't see that, you're going to twist this while bringing this over the top. So twist, bring it over the top, and collapse it down. And then put it into the pocket like this. May not be perfect, but it's good enough. Do it one more time. So we're going to find the E, go up, put our hands like this, find the T, go down, grip it like this. This movement is away from you and down. This movement is toward you, twisting toward you and over. So, see if I can get a better view of that. Kind of. Listen, there it is. So as I mentioned, it's not going to be pretty, but it works. If you pull it towards your body instead of using the table, it might come out a little bit better.